Okay, so we're going to be looking at the Windsport made by Thor Motor Coach. This is a Class A. It's a beautiful coach, absolutely beautiful coach. It's got the big V8 motor in it to get you right down the road. Absolute, all the bells and whistles, you'd love it. The storage is insane underneath this thing. You can see all the different doors, but just it really has everything that you want. What year is this one? Do you know?
This is a 2023.
Oh, it's another one. You can get an incredible price on this thing today. I'm not sure, but I'm guessing we're at least $20,000 below cost, maybe more.
I think this one we're at 22.5 below cost on this one.
Yeah, so there you go, $22,500 below cost. So you'll want to call Caden about this one as soon as he's done showing it to you. But Caden, go ahead and show us around.
Yeah, so like 2023 Windsport 34J. This is a great Class A motorhome. You're going to see inside kind of the difference with Windsport. When you walk in a Windsport, you know it's a Windsport, that's for sure. Like he was saying, nice awning right off rip, so you're still getting the awning on the motorhome too. That's always a cool feature to have because you could pull up at your park and then you could set up all your camping and then just pick it up and go with you. Motorhomes is, it's cool that they offer that because that's something cool and unique that a lot of families will get to enjoy. So yeah, like he was mentioning with the outdoor storage too. So we'll go ahead and open up one of these. So here's your batteries. So lots of outdoor storage here. I mean, we could go down this whole coach for a while and just go through the storage. Outdoor kitchen there, so that's a really cool feature. Like I said, that helps with having the awning. You can still have the company out here. We could go down these compartments all day. Some more storage there. We'll actually go over here real quick too. I'll open this up for us. This can be your outdoor. Yep, so you have your outdoor entertainment center there. The Connex with the speaker bar at the bottom. So that's gonna be real nice for, you have your TV, your outdoor kitchen, your awning. So that's a real cool feature to have. Yeah, so we'll head inside now and then we'll go to show you the features inside. So it's a little bit quieter in here, so. Alrighty, yeah, so first thing you're gonna see when you get in here, now you have a bunk here. This does come down, so you will sleep one here. And if you pan up here, you have lots of room. That's the difference between these Class A's, lots of room. They actually give you a nice little desk right there that pulls out for your passenger seat. The driver's gonna be comfortable. These seats are fully adjustable, they swivel. You have your electronic leveling there, so once you pull up to your spot, you can just level out right there. You don't have to get out of the coach and level or anything like that. Dinette here, this has seat belts in it, so you can sit here when you're driving legally. You have the TV right there, so you can have that on while you're driving. This couch right here pulls out into a bed, and this one also has 2 seat belts. So 2 seat belts there, 2 seat belts there, and 2 seat belts. So it's technically 6, and I believe you could also add another seat belt to each side of these, but they're prepped for it. So right here, this is a big difference in this Windsport too. You'll notice on the kitchen, you have a lot of solid surface countertops here. This is real nice because it's like essentially taking home with you. There's a lot of counter space. The drawers are just like you'd have at home. They're going to be solid wood. And the sink here is especially going to be just like you have at home. It's dual basin on both sides. And it's nice because, the kids can do the dishes and it's just going to feel like just right at home. So we'll go here in the refrigerator. So you're still getting a nice size refrigerator even though you're in a motorhome. That's rare to find, but this one has it. So that's always a great feature to have, especially kids, because this unit's going to have the bunkhouse back here as well. So you'll notice on the slide out here, there's bunk beds. Now, if you didn't need the bunk beds, these do clip up, and then you can utilize it as a closet. So that's a cool feature that they give you, kind of the versatility of that. We'll open up this bathroom here. And this is going to be a nice sized bathroom. You actually have a real nice shower. All the water is going to stay inside. There's no water running out of the shower at all. And then nice vanity there. You get the medicine cabinet, the sink right below. Lots of storage in that bathroom too. Yeah, this is a really cool unit. As far as Windsport's motorhomes, this is one of their best sellers because you can bring the whole family, and there's plenty of storage and room. I mean, you got one super slide on this side, so just one slide out gives you all this room. That's pretty cool. But coming back here into the master bedroom now. So this is a RV king size bed right here. So lots of space on this, just like home. That's essentially what you want with a motorhome, is you want to feel like you're bringing home with you. Lots of closet space in here as well. So I'll show you this. So lots of closet. You get a full size closet, so you can take all your clothes with you. And then yeah, you still get your TV there. So this is really cool. All the storage up above. It's going to have 2 ACs, so it's going to stay nice and cool if you want to go out west or down south or anything like that. Yeah, this is a great unit as far as motorhomes, and it's a 2023, and we have it marked so low that it's a stupid deal. It really is. But yeah,
they're saying now this is Thor's sheet.
Yeah.
They're saying this thing should sell for $213,406.
Yeah, that's.
And I can't tell you how far underneath that we are. It's insane how far underneath that we are. I mean, it's completely insane. So it's an incredible deal. You know, the nice thing, I went out west about 3 summers ago. If you look at the size of that windshield, the size of the windows beside you, there's windows with the dinette seating, right? Windows behind the sofa, and you can say, well, what's that matter? It matters a lot. When you're driving down the highway trying to see all the national parks and all the sights, there's nothing better than a Class A to do that. This is the perfect coach for a family because, again, you have the bunks back there. But you can sleep here. You can sleep on the sofa. I mean, you can sleep an army in this thing. It's incredible.
Yeah, and it's 35 foot 9 inches too. So I mean, really pulling this thing, this is going to be one of the easier ones you're going to be able to pull.
Yeah.
'Cause this is on the shorter side. So.
Yeah, it's amazing the power that these motors have too. I mean, you would absolutely love going out west in this thing.
Yeah.
But you know, it's incredible around Ohio too. We have some of the most beautiful state parks you'll ever see right here in the great state of Ohio.
Yeah.
But wherever you are, give us a call. A lot of our customers with motorhomes fly in.
Mm-hmm.
We'll pick you up at the airport. Usually we pick you up at Columbus, but we can also pick you up at Dayton. Fly into either airport. We can bring you right here. We give you a full rundown, a full walkthrough, show you how to use everything. Then we also have camp spots right outside on our property where you can stay. So a lot of people choose to stay a few days with their motorhome or even their travel trailer fifth wheel. You can use it. We can keep giving you walkthroughs until you have everything down, and then also you can get everything tweaked, right? If you find something that isn't quite right, we can tweak it while you're here, and then you're absolutely ready to hit the road. But make sure you give Caden a call. He's got a whole team with him. They can take great care of you. I think we got a couple more to look at.
Yeah. Yep, we're going to go over and take a look at the next one.
Yep, we're going to go back. We'll see you in just a few seconds here to look at this Winnebago.